Assalamu alaikum friends. Today the fighter jet we are going to view is MIG 29 MiG 29. It is basically a Russian Fulcrum aircraft jet fighter. It is basically the twin engine fighting aircraft designed by the Soviet Union, developed by the Makoyan Design Bureau as an air superiority fighter during the 1970s. Basically, MiG 29 was first started to design in 1970s. The MiG 29, along with the larger Sukhoi Su 27, was developed to counter new US fighters such as McDonnell Douglas F 15 Eagle. So it is discussed as discussed in 1970s. The Russian thinks the Soviet Union of Russia started to develop its new aircraft jet fighter that will defeat F-15 Eagle of U.S. Army. As we all know, Russian and United States, these are two superpower countries that spends a lot on their technologies like missiles, like jet fighters, like submarines, etc., and also like guns. So they also try to compete each other from time to time. So they developed this MiG 29 1970s to compete F-15 Eagle, and it is a very powerful jet and is way better than F-15 Eagle. The MiG 29 entered service with the Soviet Air Force in 1982. In mass production, it starts the mass production in 1982, and it's a very important backbone of Russian Air Force Army. And its role, basically the role of MiG 29 is air superiority fighter, multi-role fighter. It can also take target from air to air and air to ground too. The national origin of MiG 29 is Soviet Union, and the first flight of MiG 29 is 6 October 1977, about 44 years ago from today. Introduction, it was introduced in July 1982. Status in service, basically its introduction is 1982, is it's produced in a very mass production then, and then sent to the Russian Air Force. The primary user of this aircraft MiG 29 is basically Russia, of course, as it's generated and developed by Russian. So it is the mass units captured by Russians, and it's also used in Indian Air Force, Uzbekistan Air and Air Defense Forces, Islamic Republic of Iran Air Force, and from today it is also produced, and it's about 1600 units are built. That is very effective. It's also have three variants, that is MiG 29M, MiG 29K, and MiG 35. So this is all about the MiG 29, its history. We will meet in the next video with another topic. Till then, goodbye.